Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. As you can see, there's a bit more. This is more rust come out today. Okay, unbelievable. All this rust is basically my fuel tank disintegrating with this shitty ethanol fuel. As you can see now, it really is horrendous. But with our super duper fuel proofer and tank sealer and rust converter, this tank will be good as new, which I'll show you a video on that when we've done it. But as you can see, this really is horrendous. This is ethanol shit fuel, and this is what is happening to your tank on your bike. If you've got an old bike, do not run it on supermarket fuel. It will do this because it's basically 10% ethanol and will completely screw up everything. It'll screw your fuel pipes, will end up like steel and will break. It's just horrendous stuff. Okay, if you're interested, we do a good cure for this. It's a proper tank sealer and a proper rust remover converter. So then once the 2-pack resin tank sealer's gone in, it's literally like araldite completely all over the middle of the tank, and it will seal everything. And it's you can use it on fiberglass tanks, alley tanks, whatever you like. So this is another day on the saga of this bloody tank, but that is a serious amount of rust. And we also do fuel pipe, fuel tap rebuild kits, or in all honesty, a lot of these stupid vacuum taps, you're better off just putting a normal one on. We do a replacement tap without that vacuum crap on it. Let's face it, when you park up, you're going to turn the pissing thing off anyway, which is better than having a vacuum tap that hopefully works and can also restrict the fuel at high speed if the diaphragms start going, which they will with this crap fuel. Give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.